Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're a family of 4 who live in and travel in a tiny house on wheels.
We gave up our traditional home, which we lived in from 2016 to 2021. To live a fuller life, rich with memories and adventure. This lifestyle brings us closer together, but now we see how it helps us achieve our dreams and reach new goals. Life is short, and this is our version of a leap of faith. You're basically watching a mustard seed grow. Get it? Tiny house, big dreams, faith like a mustard seed.
Get on with it, Dad.
We're able to do this because I work as an ER travel nurse, my husband works remote, and we homeschool and road school our 11 and 7-year-old kids. After a long cross-country trip with the tiny house, our home is safely parked in Alabama on family land, while we continue our summer fun visiting family in Florida. In this video, we'll share footage from our annual family camping trip at Ginnie Springs. Also, we visit New Smyrna Beach, Florida. Ginnie Springs, which is located in High Springs, Florida, is a privately owned recreation area. It's home to a couple of different springs off the Santa Fe River. It's a stunning natural wonder, famous for its crystal clear waters and incredible underwater caves. This place is perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and diving. Plus, we get to camp out and relax as we ride down the Santa Fe River. It's kind of like having the ultimate lazy river ride in our backyard for a few days. The kids absolutely love the freedom of having a spring as their playground. Stop it, Sim.
The river rafting rides are pretty fun because we get to be tied up together and sometimes we get to hop off and swim for a little bit.
Hey, cutie.
Can't say hey cutie too loud. Some turn.
That's right.
I'm okay. Oh, hi. I'm okay.
I overcame my fears and even walked on water.
You mean in water.
Tomato, tomato.
We're leaving you.
How to get out and walk?
If you want to.
You can. Whoa! Whoa!
One of the greatest perks of tiny living is the flexibility it offers. We can dedicate most of our summers to being with family, which is super important to us because family is everything.
I'm in the building.
He's in the building.
Outside the house.
Right.
Woo!
Yeah. It's getting posted.
My toes look like fingers thanks to that.
Because are you vlogging?
Or thanks to toes. I got somebody toes.
Whose tent is this gonna be?
This is Randall and Tatiana's tent.
Oh, so you girls are over there?
I didn't talk to you.
She's right there.
That's why I left. No, I'm picking up the stage. I heard you. Oh.
Technical difficulties.
There's one that's wrong.
Alright, the girls are in there setting up the air mattresses. So I upgraded to this privacy tent, aka shower tent. Can also be used for just changing or bathroom. Well, much to be expected in Florida is rain at any given moment. So Steph is out here enjoying it. He's under the umbrella, enjoying the peace and quiet. The uncles are behind the llama, still manning the grill in the rain. And inside our tiny house, Simeon. Hey, Sim. Good morning at Ginnie Springs. Good morning, Uncle Randall, Tati.
Good morning.
How did y'all sleep?
No, I did not.
Real good.
No, I did
On the
not.
whole bed. It was tall in the hole.
Well, we had 2 flat air mattresses.
That's Uncle Patrick's tent.
Coffee.
Wait. What's this? What's that down there? Good morning. So I guess you can't get any more sleep because nobody cares. And loud too. Yeah, so these are the folks right here that showed up at 3 a.m. Were loud arguing. Now it's what time?
You got your coffee?
8:16 and they're blaring their music and my dad's tent is here. So the consideration here is great.
Taking in for company?
So here's Dad coming over. He's got his new tent, so he's criticizing my tent.
Not criticizing. Offering.
He's looking down upon our tent.
Yeah, like you say, I'm
He
looking
just
down.
Yeah, he doesn't.
No,
want
because
to
yours
my
is so
back.
big now. He has upgraded to this. Like a 2-family. Look at this. Look at this. All right.
Daddy is bringing over our shower bags. We can have warm showers later.
These moments are what life is all about. Creating memories, bonding with loved ones, and simply enjoying each other's company without the distractions of daily life.
Much better. Oh, yeah.
It's better? No? Wow.
Plus, it's a great excuse to avoid chores. Who needs to mow the lawn when you don't have one?
And this is how Sarah babysits.
Ginnie Springs, like all other springs in Lake City, Florida, is especially appealing in the summer since the water is consistently about 72 degrees.
The water is pretty cold there, but it's worth it for a nice hot day.
Auntie Bean, your YouTube channel is not gonna think you're brave. Don't even think about it, just lift your legs and just...
If you haven't yet, take a moment to like and comment on this video. Also, make sure you subscribe and tap the bell for notifications.
Bruh. So now we're gonna go with her and then she just let her go.
I'm ready. You ready? Nobody's motivated. One, you ready? One, I don't want to.
If you've been following our channel for a while, you might have noticed a trend. Yep, we absolutely love water.
But why is that? Why are we so attracted to water? Maybe it's because the water has a calming effect on our minds, providing a sense of peace.
Or maybe it's just fun and cool.
Yeah, that works.
I like the Ginnie Springs. It was kind of fun.
Next up, we spend the day at New Smyrna Beach, which is a Florida city south of Daytona Beach that has quickly become a big draw to visitors because of its abundance of unique local eateries and quaint shops. We personally enjoyed the ability to drive directly onto the beach, making loading and unloading a, dare I say, breeze.
It's a great spot for us to relax, catch some waves, and enjoy the vast, endless views of the ocean. The waves here were strong enough to scare Sim, but Mom wasn't having any of that. She got us some boogie boards and was determined to catch some waves. Turns out, Sim is about that life.
I love those waves. I enjoy hanging out with my best friend / cousin Tyler. This summer was great. I hope to do it again next year.
There's something special about spending time by the water, whether you're alone or experiencing it with people you love. Summer is the perfect season to get outside, move, and explore the wonder around you. Find a beautiful beach or a hidden spring, maybe even a waterfall. Just reflect.
Remember, it's not about how big your house is,
It's about how big your adventures are.
We hope our adventures inspire and remind you to step outside of your comfort zone and find the joy in the simple things. We have more reminders on the way.